Hello and welcome to Sheba Online Art and Craft classes. Art and craft is a hobby, isn't it? Everybody knows about it. And this involves making things with your own hands. So there are so many things which we can make with our own hands, isn't it? And this can, as a hobby, it can develop into a occupation. And further, the same person who is going to do it can also have a business also in this and earn lots of money, isn't it? So today we are going to show you how to make craft, that is using that's also known as jhumka craft. Jhumka earrings you are going to make, and we have a volunteer to help us teach you how to make jhumka earrings. These are the things, let me explain to you. These are the things which we need to make the jhumka. First one is fabric glue, a scale, a canvas, paper, and then scissors, silk thread of your choice, any color of your choice, and then a few crystals, colored crystals, and then golden beads. And the things which we need to make is, main thing is the mold of the jhumkas, okay? And then the earrings part, that is the earrings. This is the earring holder, okay? Earring holder in which we are going to stick the earring on it, okay? So these are the things we need to make the jhumkas. Now the procedure to make the earrings: first take the thread, the silk thread, and wind it around the scale 30 centimeters. Length is 30 centimeters. You wind it around 30 to 40, 35 times. So keep winding around it till you get 50 times. Also will be good because you want it a little more thicker. You can wind it around 50 times to get the desired color. Now after winding it for 50 times, then cut the thread with the scissors. Then after winding it, you have to remove it like this very carefully. Otherwise it will get tangled up, and then it will be very difficult for you to wind it around the mold. Then see the procedure how to make it. Accordingly, please make it. And then cut the bend. One bend you have to cut it. Cut it neatly. See, this is how it looks. And then you take the mold, and then after cutting down, see, you have to cut the thread in equal level. Only then you can wrap it around the plastic mold properly. Then both the ends you should put fabric glue and keep it like this. Take fabric glue and stick it up. Stick the ends. Only then for you, if you wind it, it will be easier. Otherwise, thread will come out and everything will get tangled. Yeah, exactly like that only. And then next step is take the plastic mold, apply fabric glue in the underside of the mold, and then start sticking it. See the way the procedure is. See how it is done. Yeah, stick it up with the fabric glue and then wind it up. And then after sticking it, then the other end of the thread, you just insert it inside the hole and keep on winding it each time. Be careful, hope it doesn't get tangled. Do it neatly. Don't be in a hurry. Then again, wind it again, put again the end should be nice and tight so that it goes inside the hole. Till the hole, the complete mold is covered with the colored silk thread, you keep winding it. Then after winding it around the plastic mold, then take the fabric glue and stick the ends of it. If you stick the ends only, everything will be neatly formed. Otherwise, it will keep sticking out. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, after sticking it, this is how it looks. And the next step is to decorate it. The next step, after winding the mold, the next step is you take the canvas, cut it into a square bit, This is to make the earring out of it. Like how to fix this. That is, you will fix this earring, then underneath only the jhumka will be placed. Now first you cut this into a square bit. This canvas is found any shop. You just ask them for canvas, they will give you like this. Okay. And now what you do is you decorate it with according to your wish. Use crystals, this chain like stones or separate stones. According to your creativity, you can use to decorate it. And the procedure to make it. First take a crystal, the center of the canvas, stick the crystal. That is any color, because we have used pink color thread, so I am sticking pink color crystal. You can also use contrast. And then take the chain stone lace, and stick it around it. Always use a fabric glue, because any other glue, Fevicol will not stick. Only fabric glue is the best. It can stick. And you get the end result is also looks very nice. If you take a Fevicol, it will not look nice. The finishing, the end result will be very shabby. So always use fabric glue. And then cut it out, cut the chain, and accordingly you stick the stones. How much creativity you got, you can show it in this kind of a craft. Your talent has been displayed. Use your creativity, utmost creativity. Place it properly around the stone. And then we are also using pink color bead chain. Any color, because the jhumka color is thread color is pink, so just to make it same, so I am using the pink color chain. After sticking the stones and the crystal, everything onto the canvas, then take the scissors and cut it around. That is, the roundish shape should be seen. Cut it. Next, to hang the ring, that is, to hang the jhumka, we need to fix the ring before. Then first put the glue and then stick the ring, a metal ring. All this you can find it easily in the market. Take the ring and stick it onto it. Little part should come out of the thing. That is nothing. Everything should not go inside the canvas. And then cut a small round of canvas and fix it behind. That's so that it is finishing is neat enough. So the ring should half only be seen. Okay, like that. After it dries, let it dry for take a few seconds to dry. After it dries, it looks like this, something like this. Okay. Then to decorate the jhumka, again take the chain stones. First measure it. First measure that and then cut it. After measuring, cut the chain, the stone chain. And then stick it onto the jhumka using fabric glue. You can use your own ideas. That is, we are using the stone chain. You can use single stones also to make it more decorative. Like this, and then now stick the chain. Then after sticking the stone chain, it looks like this. Doesn't look? It looks so pretty, isn't it? Okay, now next step is we have to insert this kind of a thing. It's a small. We have to see this kind of a loop. We get it in the shop itself. You ask them, that is a set, the washer. You get a washer and this kind of the ear loop. And then now we have to do is take a golden bead, insert it into that ear loop, and then under the jhumka, that is the round thing, no, put it inside, insert it. The bead is there to make it stop, okay, that will not come out. And then again, after inserting the ear loop, then what is shown on the picture, you take this is also will be available, easily available in the market. Insert that into that, and this is also a kind of a decorative piece. It looks so pretty, isn't it? This everything is. Then after inserting that decorative piece, now to hold it there, you have to put one small ring. Even this is easily available in the shop. Insert it there, and then finally we put the bead. Then with the help of the scissors, you make a small loop. Make a small loop, tightly fix it, and then now we have to attach the earring, the top earring. See, everything we can craft is made with our own hands, okay? So all this is really very creative and productive also. Now it looks like this. This is the end result after fixing. This is the jhumka. See the stone decorative thing, and then the top part. And then now finally we attach the earring. This is how we attach the earring. Already I told you, we have made a loop over there, and here the jhumka should be attached in that loop. And tighten it with the scissors. Tighten it up. Now we have attached the earring to the jhumka. Be very. And now lastly, we have to fix the earring. That is the earring back side, no? Where we put it in our ears. That one. Now again apply glue to the back side of the earring, and then even this is easily available in the market. Just fix that and let it dry for some time. Finally, this is the end result. See how pretty that looks? Outside if you go and buy, it is nearly 150 rupees. Now at home if you make it, everything is at home. See that? And the satisfaction we get, no? Like you have made it with your own hands. So when anybody sees it, they'll say, oh, so lovely, and everybody will give you a lot of orders to make these earrings, isn't it? And staying at home, you can earn a lot of money. So this is it. These are the earrings. You also make your chain, bracelet, rings, everything with this satin silk thread. Hope you like this craft, that is making of the jhumka. Please try it at home, and let me see how many of you are going to upload this making of this jhumka in your respective WhatsApp groups. So see you next craft class. Thank you.